Good morning, one and all. Myself, Dia Tade. Today we will see decomposition in function domain. In functional decomposition, the system functions are described as the transformation between an initial stage and the desired final state. The approach of concept generation by a functional decompositions was originated in the German School of Design. The input and output of the functional devices are usually described in terms of either energy flow, material flow, or information flow. We consider functions to be in the nature of physical behavior or action. Function tells us what the product must do, while its form or structure tells how it will accomplish. The process of functional decomposition describes the design problems in terms of a flow of energy, material and information. This creates a detailed understanding at the beginning of process about what the product is expected to do. Steps of function decompositions. Number 1, the state, the overall functions that needs to be accomplished. Create descriptions of subfunctions. Arrange the subfunctions in logical order. Refine the subfunctions. Then decomposition in function domain, that material flow is divided in material conserving process to change its position or phase. Diverging flow, material divided into two or more parts, and converging flow, material is joined or assembled. Information flow will be found in the form of mechanical or electrical signals, software instructions, system responses, energy flow. Then types are mechanical, electrical, chemical, fluid, thermal, etc. Followed by the action verbs such as absorb, drive, change, control. Here it is, the one table is given. In this table, so they are going to give a details about the uh, how that particular components they get work. Suppose here it is, the one example is the gear is the one of the device. Input is the rotating mechanical energy, and then function is change speed of rotations, and other effect is change direction of rotation, and output is the rotational mechanical energy. Some example of the function decomposition function domains are given, that is the nozzle, pump, electrical resistance elements, then expansions valve in refrigerator, and lever as well as switch. This is the different examples of the functions domain or function generation. So this is about the detail about the how that particular components or products they get work functionally. So please see that, like that, and comment that. Thank you.